Hello, my name is Adia Lumana, a business analyst with TeamPact. In this video, I demonstrate how to use Blueworks Live and activity-based costing for business process improvement. In our last video, I demonstrated how to use Blueworks Live to analyze a business process. So let's export the metadata and use it to calculate the cost of the process. Blueworks allows you to extract the metadata of your process in Microsoft Excel. So let's select Export Process, select the Microsoft Excel option, and then click on Export. Now I'll open up the spreadsheet, and the tabs that we're most interested in are the cycle time and the volume. So we can then plug this into our activity-based costing template. I've done that ahead for you. This template helps us calculate the cost of the process by multiplying the cycle time, which we entered in our Blueworks Live, by the staff rate, which we've obtained from the staff that we're working with, and the volume of each activity. We then analyze the cost and get the total cost to serve for the process. Now, we also have the option of staff labor costs that will be required based on automation that's been recommended. Now, the template pulls this data into the return on investment tab and helps us calculate the return on investment. So here we can see that the cost of doing nothing gives us absolutely no return on investment because everything remains the same. And if we take the option to employ more staff, that gives us a negative return on investment. And then finally, the recommended solution would be to use automated mining tools, which gives us a return on investment of 76% in the first year and up to 94% by the third year. I hope you found this useful. Please take a few minutes to watch the other videos in our series. If you'd like any information about the tools or techniques shared in this video, please contact us on sales@t-impact.com. The contact details are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.